Alright guys, we are putting together Juni's H2B kit on his F20B, soon to be turbo, with the max speeding rods GT3582R. I don't even know if it's an R, it's just a GT35, $135 Johnny. Right now we are installing the 1320 H2B kit with the mounts. It's kind of a iffy kit. I don't know, it's okay I guess. For what you pay for it, it'll do the job. I have an H2B kit too, I have the PLM, and his, like the finish is better on his, but I guess we'll see when we go to turn it on. And we're fitting the dowel pins in the kit and the plate, so it'll line up with the transmission. Real quick, let me go run out and show you guys Juni's coupe. It is windy as hell. Nope, I ain't gonna show you shit. I'm gonna zoom in. There it is. 1993 EJ1 EX. Midori green. You got Loctite for the flywheel?
Yeah, I gotta open my.
And then I brought my torque wrench. All right, we got the dowel pins in the adapter plate, both sides. Now we gotta put on the flywheel, and we're gonna use blue Loctite on all the flywheel bolts. And we're gonna torque to what, Juni? 90 foot-pounds? 90 foot-pounds. And this is the flywheel we were using. Juni finna risk it. This shit heat soak. He gonna risk it. Send it. Gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these bolts out, because this is a spacer for the flywheel. I'm gonna take all these bolts out. This goes one way because it has a eye in it. It lines up with the peg on the crankshaft. So just not this way, just gotta go this way. So we're gonna line that up, just like that. Line it up and stick it on. I think it's good. Oh, whippa. Good? Yeah. There's a timing mark on there too.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna
paint it so it's easier to see. Yo, Pito. I went YouTube live, and your dad said that we're gonna fucking boost your car to 30 PSI. He's what he told all people on YouTube. Said 30 PSI, send it. All right.
so you can see the time.
So we're gonna put a pink line with a paint marker on the timing mark on the spacer. That way it's easy to see, because to do ignition timing on H2B, you gotta shoot it through this little window, and you gotta, when that spins, you're gonna be able to line it up with the crosshair thing. You feel me? So it just makes it easier to see. So the little engraved line, put pink on it and send it. Oh, yeah, that's good. So once you spin it, it'll go through the whole entire threads. All right. Got Loctite and all the flywheel bolts threaded in. Time to bust out the torque wrench. What we gotta do? You gonna go straight to 90, or are we gonna do the stuff? We're gonna go straight. Usually you go half and then go. And then you wanna do half first? What's half of 90? 45? I'm fucking retarded. And then do the first step in sequence, kind of like a crisscross star pattern. We're using a 3/8 extension to go through the flywheel to lock it so we can torque each one down. There you go. Pressure plate. Let me see the other side. Send it. What brand is that?
On my shelf brain.
Yeah, make it look new. Make it look new.
Outside too.
Make it look new.
Hey, as long as it works.
It works.
Send it. Don't forget your throwout bearing.
Let me get some grease.
Yeah, you better put some grease. Okay, so this bad boy right here goes in there. You understand? So it won't spin, so you can put a nut on the other side where the starter goes. So the bolt head here goes in there. You can't put it in after the tranny is on. You gotta do it while you're installing it. That's just how H2B is. Pretty cool. Don't forget to grease your clutch thing. What am I at? You gotta make the motor go up a little bit.
No, it's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's not. Look at the big ass gap.
It'll go.
Okay. All right. The tranny is bolted. Shift fork is on. Starter bolt is on. Gucci. We're good to go. Everything is torqued to spec. Lefty loosey, righty tighty for Ugga Dugga. All right, guys. We got Juni's Midori Green EJ1 Coupe. The engine is installed. Here's your mount, and the bolt is in it. Nice. Got the H2B slot. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna massage this frame rail to clear the H2B crank pulley. And if we can't bang it in far enough, we're gonna cut it, right, Juni? No. No. Because with H2B, you got the B series tranny, and then you got the adapter plate, which pushes the motor that way. So therefore, the crank pulley touches the frame rail.
1, 2, 3. Bro, I'm lifting, you're not.
You lift this up.
All right. 1, 2, 3. No, this is fucking heavy, bro. Oh. 1, 2, 3. There we go. How's she sitting? Good enough, or you want to go more? More that way? All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, it's perfect. Oh my God, you guys
Really
killed
right?
it.
Oh, dude, it does sit nice.
Here we go. The time has come to put the H2B swap in the Midori Green. Yes. Oh, spin it.
Over in the training. So.
Whoa.
You're good, keep going. You got plenty. You got a ton of room. There's so much room, it's not even funny.
Wait till we get closer. Wait till we get closer.
Ton of room.
Wait till we get closer.
Ton of room.
It looks in the video. It looks like there's so much room, but there's not.
There's so much room, Juni, go.
H2B.
Go.
Whoa. Be careful, guys.
Go.
With the water neck.
Nice and slow. Nice and slow, flipping flapper.
Cheese and crackers.
I gotta take it off on me. Flipping flapper.
Yo.
Flipping flapper.
What's going on here? What H2B is going? What's going on here?
Come on, keep going.
I don't know what's going on here, Juni.
Keep going. You got plenty of room, bro.
Y'all fucking H2B, y'all fucking crank pulley.
He doesn't even need a crank pulley. Crank pulley delete.
What, you got fucking Wi-Fi fucking internet? She got 3G LTE?
Wait.
Flowers and Blazers. Flowers and Kaisers. Whoa. Okay. Very cool. Whew, look at that fitment.
Oh. Yeah, you're still not touching it at all, so. Yeah, we're almost there. We can probably lift that. We can lift that in there. Little pepper blaster.
Yeah, you need some
What
Louis.
type of blaster?
You need to say a Louis Vuitton. Yep, a Louis Vuitton.
Grab the ratchet too.
My fucking god.
Ratchet. Flatulence.
It's a slash slammer.
Slash hammer.
Flash flamber.
I forgot to take the bolts out.
Glamber. Damber. Ooh, we greased it.
This is going close.
Yeah.
Really
You
close. You still gotta
think?
go about 1.5 inches. You wanna do? Let me wiggle.
Oh my lord.
Dude,
It's not coming.
wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Clear.
What's that bolt? What's that bolt coming out of the timing cover?
For the
Tension.
it holds something mad important because I tried to take it off one time and it snapped. It's connected to the water pump.
We gotta go another, what, 1/2 inch? And it's gonna be touching the frame rail.
It's already touching.
Where?
The cover's gonna be touching.
In the back?
Shush.
What the fuck?
So close.
Yeah.
We took off the mother freaking timing cover to expose this
How much space do you get, Juni?
blanquita.
You don't get a lot of space there, dude. We still gotta bring the rail in. We should have marked it.
So the back half of it is touching right now.
You marked it, boy?
Yeah, I marked it.
So let me see it or no?
Yep. The balance shaft is touching, guys. The back balance shaft is touching.
This is just baby, bro.
Oh yeah, look at
And
this.
Philly marked it with the orange marker.
Well, I'm gonna mark this too.
And then we're gonna take the motor out and we're gonna bang it with a hammer. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, hammer. Hammer time. What else you marking, buddy? The bolt?
Yeah, I was trying, but the
Tensioner bolt.
the bolt, front half of the bolt, back half of the bolt, and then that's the back half of the balance shaft.
Yep.
So I think if you hit here, we'll do here, like that, bring that in, and then here would be like, you go from here like this, right in the center. A ball peen hammer.
Oh, shit!
I think this, I'm gonna hit the ball peen center right there. You want to do it?
H2B clearancing.
Ready?
Oh, I made a hole!
You want it to be far enough? All right, so that's the back of that balance shaft. So as it went this way, it got farther away because the rail went that way. Start there. See how she fits? What do you think that spacing on that, or should we go farther? What do you think? Yo,
Not bad.
no, Juni, let's wait a minute. I'm gonna go 1 or 2 more bangs on your balance shaft's not touching, but it's literally like almost touching, slightly. You see it?
Oh my god.
What do you think? One more hit. Go. What do you think? There's plenty of room there now. What do you think? And it's still got to come up. Oh, sorry. It's still got to come up. Oh, about
Right, yeah.
So he's got plenty of room, I think, now, where I banged it.
Yeah, it's not bad, man.
Yeah, it's almost there.
It's a hole in one.
If I stand on it, it'll go down. I leaned on it.
It's a hole in one.
No, let's go, bitch. Get that bolt.
You're retired.
Let me see.
Whoa!
Too much.
Too much, you fucking makikako.
Nah, I'm good.
Damn, Macarena. Macarena macaroons. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, bro. Hey, you got fucking
Higher, higher.
You got macaroons.
We don't care if it is. It's still going.
Hammer that shit. Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Signed it in with an impact gun. 2 Ugga Duggas in 3/4 inch turns. Oh, brother. Oh, you're missing a bolt. Here you go, Juni.
We didn't forget.
I'm just kidding. Wow, you got so much room there. Said no one ever. Just for fun. Try to fucking stick that up there. It's in the frame rail. Who the fuck is bending their shit? Nobody's bending their shit.
I wouldn't bend it. If I'd cut it and weld it with a steel. We could put 1/4 inch steel plate in there. It's gonna be stronger than this thin shit that's in there anyway.
It's just rotted anyways. It need to be replaced anyways.
Duh. Lacing plates it is.
I don't think Juni's interested anymore.
You don't want to do it.
You think, Juni?
You're going all the way, bro. Let's go.
H2B.
Wait, it's only for alternator, right?
H2B. Way that is happening, bro. No, don't. Technically, it's.
Yeah.
We still gotta just hit it, bro.
Get the fuck out of here. You need to hit that shit until it pushes out the other side.
I ain't fucking cutting my radius for it.
All right, guys, we got the H2B mounted. Juni is very disappointed. The turbo will fit only one way, unless we cut the whole entire radius support. No, I'm just kidding. But
He thought at first, though. At first, he goes, I'm not fucking cutting my radius.
we had to bang the frame rail to clearance a couple things. The timing cover is not on, so we can't run it. And we're gonna have to do some major modification to get the crank pulley to fit
But it fits
and
right
operate correctly. But it's a good start. It's the first time it's had a motor. Well, it had a motor last year, but
now. Not his.
that was a
Not
flopito.
his.
Flappo. Ah, man. So what do you guys think about Juni's EG making a comeback? H2B F20B with a GSR trans and phantom grip with a GT35 turbo. 30 PSI. 30 PSI, bro, right? I said it on Instagram Live.
32.
132 PSI. All right, like, comment, subscribe. We're going home. See ya.